We'll guide you through how to overlay video in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer and navigate to the Edit page. Here, you need to make sure you have the clips you want to overlay imported into your media pool. You can do this by dragging and dropping them from your File Explorer directly into the media pool area. Once your clips are in the media pool, drag your base video clip onto the timeline in the video track 1. Now, find the video you want to overlay and drag it onto the timeline, placing it in video track 2, directly above the base video. You'll notice that the overlay video now covers the base video in the preview window. To adjust the size and position of the overlay, select the overlay clip in the timeline, then go to the inspector panel on the top right. Here, you can scale down the overlay video by adjusting the zoom controls or clicking and dragging the corners of the overlay in the preview window. You can also reposition it by clicking and dragging it around the preview window to place it exactly where you want. If you want to add some transparency to your overlay, simply adjust the opacity slider in the inspector panel to let some of the base video show through. This is especially useful for picture-in-picture effects or adding logos. Once you're satisfied with the size, position, and transparency of your overlay, you can play back your timeline to see how it looks. If everything looks good, you're ready to move on to color grading or any other edits you need to make. The process of overlaying video in DaVinci Resolve is quite straightforward once you get the hang of it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.